In order to run JavaScript on your computer apart from browser, because on browser by default JavaScript automatically runs because the browser already has the engine to run the JavaScript. But if you want to run JavaScript outside of your browser in your computer like a server, then we need to install this runtime environment or the platform called Node.js. So we need to install this particular runtime on our computer so that our computer understands the Node.js commands. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 engine, and it helps to run JavaScript on our computer outside of browser. So go to your favorite browser, type Node.js, click on the first link. Once you are here, then go ahead and click the long-term support version of Node.js. As soon as you click on this button, it will download an exe for you. Once the exe is downloaded, you can go ahead and click next and complete the normal installation process. Once you are done with that, you have successfully installed Node.js in your computer.